What's up? Welcome to my kitchen. These are my donuts and they are almost done.
Hello, I'm here with Frankie today because he's been in a couple of videos, but it's been 3 years since we haven't made a in the kitchen with Frankie, and we look different. Frankie looks different more he grew up. And so today we're going to be making some glazed donuts and we'll see how they come out.
Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have milk, yeast, sugar, 2 eggs, salt, melted butter, and flour.
So to start off, you have to warm up the milk, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the microwave. It has to be up to like 100 degrees. So I'm gonna start that, and then once I take it out, I'm gonna put the yeast in there. So the milk right now is at 120, and that's a really good temperature for it to put the yeast in already. And just mix it a little bit so that the yeast can get moist or whatever. And then let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so next we're gonna be mixing all of these together. First we're gonna be putting the butter, the sugar, salt, and then the eggs. So first I'm gonna start with the butter. And the salt, no, the sugar. Then okay, then I need to mix it all together. Alright, so your mix should now look like this. Alright, so now that we have mixed all of this, we're going to be adding the milk. We're going to add that in there. Then we're just gonna mix it a little bit. Alright, then we're gonna get the flour and we're gonna pour all of this into here.
Okay, so once your dough's already mixed a little bit like this, just go ahead and pour it onto the counter that you're gonna be working on. And then you have to knead it until it becomes a nice, super soft dough. And I think it's gonna take like 7 to 10 minutes of just kneading, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So I've been eating this already for 10 minutes, and it did get a lot softer already, and then I push my finger in there and it bounces back up. So it's already done. It got me out of breath. But now what we have to do is put it into a greased bowl and cover it and let it rise for 45 minutes.
Okay, so now the dough is ready. We let it sit for around like 50 minutes, and then now we're just gonna flatten it and cut it out.
We're gonna be cutting out with this cookie cutter, the big one, and then the inside circle with the little one. And then we're gonna be placing them on our parchment paper that's ready, and then we're gonna let it sit again for another 2 minutes. So here, I pick up the dough. That's what it should look like.
Déjame una vez, te perdono. Déjame otra vez, no te
I'm just gonna add a little bit of flour to the rolling pin and then roll it out in a circle. Just make sure it's uneven size all around. You don't want to make it too flat or too thick. So I think this is a good size. And then we can go ahead and cut out our circles. Here, you do the little ones.
Yo te confío en ti, mis secretos. Y yo viví
So
por ti,
basically, you're gonna be
estoy
doing
completo. En el final, no importa. Siempre me dices.
So this is our parchment paper thing that we have right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them on here. Right here is where they have to rise again. So we're gonna leave them here for another like 30 or 20 minutes. With this is the scraps, but I'm going to roll them out again so that we can have more donuts.
Okay, so now there's 5 more minutes till those are about ready. So then right now we're just gonna be heating up the oil.
We're going to be using some vegetable oil, and then I have like oil that's already been used before. And there's also some shortening in there, so I might give it a different flavor. We're gonna use those to heat up. So this one's like a mixture of vegetable oil and shortening. And I've used this before to make like cannolis. But I guess the shortening just gives it a different flavor. And then I'm gonna mix it with the vegetable oil. Medium high heat. And then, well, we're gonna wait 5 more minutes for the for the donuts to be done, and then we're gonna start frying them. So we're just gonna make sure that the oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and ours is already past that. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting our donuts in. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in the like scrap ones first to make sure that it's a good temperature, and then we'll see how they come out. So this is all I have right now. I don't have a spatula, but I'm just gonna like lay it into the oil. Ooh. And you're supposed to let it fry for about a minute on each side, or until it's golden brown. but it looks like it's gonna take less than a minute.
Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada, no me juegues.
Okay, well this is why we're doing the scraps first. I cut one to see what if it actually cooked all the way through or what I need to fix the temperature. Yeah, it's still raw. So I'm gonna turn down the oil because it's a little too hot right now. And then we're gonna keep it.
Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada, no me juegues como
Is it?
ajedrez. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada, no me juegues como ajedrez.
So I put it in the microwave for the 30 seconds and it looks good. So I think it just made it more like liquidy, I don't know. Okay, so I'm actually going to put the glaze into this bowl and then add up the donuts in there and just flip them around to get covered good. Since these ones are done, I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in here and then give it a flip. Looks good. And that's what your donut should look like.
Una vez te perdono, déjame otra vez, no te conozco. Yo te di todo. Déjame sola hoy.
Come on!
I think these are all. They're about done, right?
Yeah, they look good.
En la cama cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada, no me juegues como ajedrez.
Time for the donut hole.
Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale nada, no me juegues como ajedrez.
So, if you guys saw my other videos of In the Kitchen with Frankie, Angel always does the approval video with her hand, and we're gonna see the about the donuts that we made.
Yo te confié en ti, mis secretos, y yo viví por ti, sentí completo. En el final, no importa.
Approve the
When do we start?
It started. You start? Just kidding.
Okay.
In the middle.
Like in between all of these?
What the? Are you recording?